Why does ice cream make you cough or thirsty after eating? When you eat ice cream, the cold temperature stimulates sensory nerves in your throat. These nerves react to the sudden chill by triggering a cough reflex. This reflex helps clear your airway in case the cold causes irritation or slight tightening. So, that unexpected cough is actually your body's way of protecting you from potential harm caused by the cold sensation. Another reason you might feel thirsty or cough after eating ice cream is that cold temperatures can increase mucus production. Your body produces mucus to protect and lubricate your throat, but the cold can make this mucus thicker or more noticeable. This coating can tickle your throat, leading to coughing, and also give you that dry, thirsty sensation as your mouth tries to balance moisture. Ice cream is loaded with sugar and dairy, both of which can contribute to thirst and coughing. Sugar can absorb moisture, drying out your mouth and throat. Dairy products sometimes thicken mucus, making it stickier and more irritating. This combination can trigger a cough reflex and make you feel thirsty as your body signals for more fluids to restore comfort. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.